Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add and install Flipclock Screensaver. So let's start. You have to open up any browser and just type in fliplol.com/screensaver/. From the screensaver option, you just have to scroll down till you find this option where it has two versions for the Mac and the Windows version. You just have to click the download button under Windows section. It will start downloading. Open the file zip and just extract the file. So we're just going to go to download, extract this file, and just decide where you want it to be installed. Once it's been extracted, then go and install this by right-clicking and click on install on that file. It will take you here and just click on the flip law, and the wait time, just have to customize it based on your preferences. Don't forget to click OK and hit on apply. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.